Module 6, Lessons 13 and 14. In this lesson, we will review strategies to solve more two-digit addition problems. You will need paper and pencil. Let's solve 19 plus 13. Some strategies you could use are a number bond or quick tens and ones drawing. Pick a strategy and solve this problem on your paper. Strategy 1, the number bond. Notice on this number bond, I decomposed or broke apart 13 into 10 and 3. 19 plus 10 equals 29. 29 plus 3 equals 32. For strategy 2, using your quick tens and ones drawing, here I drew 19, 1 10, and 9 ones, plus 13. I'm looking at my 9 ones right here. I know that 9 needs one more to make a 10. So I took this 1 and combined it right here to make another 10. So now I have 1, 2, 3 tens, and 2 ones, which makes the number 32. Let's solve 59 plus 13. Some strategies you could use are the number bond or the quick tens and ones drawing. Choose a strategy and solve on your paper. For this number bond, I could say 59 plus 13. I'm going to break down 13 into 10 and 3, and I know that 59 plus 10 equals 69. 69 plus 3 equals 72. Or I could have taken out 59 plus 13 and broke 13 down into 1 and 12. Here I'm trying to get to the next 10. So 59 plus 1 makes 60. 60 plus 12 equals 72. Strategy 2, when I draw my quick tens and ones, I started off drawing 5 tens, 9 ones, plus 1 10 and 3 ones. But there again, look, I have 9 ones, and I know 9 plus 1 more makes another 10. So now I have 5 tens plus another 10, which is 6 tens, plus this 10, which is 7 tens, and it leaves me with 2 ones. 7 tens and 2 ones makes the number 72. Let's try 59 plus 33. Use a number bond or quick tens and ones drawing to work this problem out. 59 plus 33. Here I broke apart 33 into 30 and 3. 59 plus 30 equals 89. 89 plus 3 equals 92. Or I could get to the next 10 by breaking apart 33 into 1 and 32. 59 plus 1 equals 60, and then 60 plus 32 equals 92. Strategy 2 is drawing the quick tens and ones. I started off drawing 59 with 5 tens and 9 ones, and then 33 using 3 tens and 3 ones. Here, I know that these 9 ones need one more with it to make another 10. So that leaves me with 5 tens plus one more 10, which is 6 tens, plus 7 tens, 8 tens, 9 tens. So I have 9 tens, 2 ones, which makes the number 92. Let's solve 37 plus 37. You could use a number bond, or you may use your quick tens and ones drawing. Choose one of these strategies and work this problem out on your paper. 37 plus 37. On this first number bond, I decomposed 37 down to 30 and 7. When I circle 37 plus 30, that gives me a total of 67. 7 ones plus 0 ones is 7, 3 tens plus 3 tens is 6, 67. 67 plus 7 equals 74. Or I can decompose the 37 into 3 and 34. Because remember, 34 plus 3 gives you 37 again, okay? So if I circle 37 plus 3, that's going to give me the next 10, which is 40. 40 plus 34 equals 74. For strategy 2, when you draw your quick tens and ones, I drew 3 tens and 7 ones plus 3 tens and 7 more ones. Here I had 7 ones, and I know that 7 needs 3 more added to it to make a 10. So this gave me another 10. So here I have 3 tens plus this right here is another 10. That makes 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens. 7 tens and 4 ones, which gives you the number 74. Now let's solve 46 plus 28. You can use a number bond or quick tens and ones drawing. "46 plus 28. Here I decompose 28 into 20 and 8. If I circle 46 plus 20 and add that together, that gives me the number 66. Then I have these 8 ones, so 66 plus 8 equals 74. Or I could have made it to the next 10. 46 plus 28, and I'm going to break this 28 down into 4 and 24. If I circle 46 plus 4, that's giving me the next 10, which is the number 50. 50 plus 24 equals 74. For strategy 2, where you draw your quick tens and ones, I drew 4 tens and 6 ones. Then I drew 2 tens, 8 ones. I had 6 ones right here, and I know that 6 plus 4 make another 10. So these 6 ones plus these 4 ones make a 10. So now I have 7 tens and 4 ones. Let's solve 38 plus 62. Choose a number bond or your quick tens and ones drawing and solve this problem on your paper. 38 plus 62. I decompose the 62 into 60 and 2, and then I circle 38 plus 60. That gave me the number 98. If I had 98 plus 2, that equals 100. Or I could have tried to get to the next 10. I could have decomposed 62 by putting the 2 and the 60. 38 plus 2 gives me the number 40. 40 plus 60 equals 100. And to draw it out using my quick tens and ones, I started with 3 tens, 8 ones. Then I drew 6 more tens and 2 ones. Here I had 8 ones, and I know that 8 plus 2 makes 10. So this is another 10. So now if I go back and count, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 tens, which equals 100. So in this lesson today, we practiced using quick tens drawings and the number bond way to solve addition with 2-digit numbers. Keep up the good work.